So to get to the drive shaft nut, I need to take the center cap off, and I don't really know how to take this off, but I don't see any access with a screwdriver anywhere around here, and I don't want to scratch a rim or break the cap. I have no idea if there's a safety clip underneath here or something. Did a little bit of research on that, and there's some, apparently you can buy a Porsche tool to take this off. I'm going to opt to not buy that because I think it's kind of silly to have a tool that you'll use once in a purple moon. So I've taken this 2.5 millimeter Allen key or hex key, and there's two holes here, one down here and one up here. So I'm just going to put this Allen key in here, turn it, pull the cap off just partially. I don't want to pull it all the way because I don't know if it's going to break the clips. Then I'm going to do the same thing down at the bottom here and pull the cover off some more, and here it goes, comes right off. See, just kind of pushes in here, so it's very easy to pull that out. No need to buy any kind of tool. Let me do this again. Just push it in like this. Put the hex key in, push out the top a little bit, hex key in the bottom, and pull it out. Boom, done. Nothing to it, see? It doesn't even damage, no damage to it. So put this aside because you don't want to scratch that nice, beautiful design. Ooh, ooh, Porsche, Porsche. Alrighty, actually if you look at this emblem here, it says it's Porsche, and right over the prancing horse it says Stuttgart. I was actually grew up not too far from Stuttgart, so coming back home to me, baby. 32mm socket, short extension, somewhat longish breaker bar. It's gonna try to yeah. This is definitely not going to be easy. It's never easy. But sometimes you get lucky, right? This is not good. I'm going to do something that's Mickey Mouse. A little bit of a longer extension. So I'm gonna shoot out the sockets in nice and straight. Bring the jack up just so it's nice and perpendicular. See? Oh my goodness. I'm going to try to put my body weight on here. Oh goodness. This baby's tight. So at this point, if you have a compressor and an impact gun strong enough, then I suggest you take it off that way. I'm going to turn my compressor on now and give that a whirl. Okay. Try number 2. Impact gun. Lucy on, it's on lefty Lucy. We had ignition. not strong enough to drive this impact gun, to put enough force to loosen this nut here. It's coming loose? Yeah, it's coming loose. But I was able to somehow loosen it enough to do with my big breaker bar. Okay, right side done. Moving to left side now. Now I'm on the left side of the car, and because I had such success on doing that nut after I used my impact gun, I'm going to just try that again. The only thing I use this compressor for that I have, to understand how small it is to dry my bicycle after I wash it. The chain and the bike. Let's try this again. Said before, there's always more than one way to get things done. It wasn't the prettiest, I'm not proud of it, but that's all I have, and it seemed to work. Another thing you can do is you have a Johnson bar like this, get a piece of steel pipe, you slice over top and have an extension. That'll give you more leverage to do this job. I'm not taking it all away. Just leave a nut on there so I don't lose it or trip over it. Okay. Whew. It's like a workout. Okay, drive shaft nut number 2 loosened.